Hello, in today's short information video we will talking about ChatGPT for storytelling. So, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. In this video we will explore how to use ChatGPT to generate engaging stories. The first step using ChatGPT for storytelling is to choose a prompt. A prompt is a sentence or a short paragraph that provides a starting point for the story. For example, you can use a prompt like once upon a time there was a young girl who lived in a small village, blah blah blah, to start a story, or something else. Once you have a prompt, you can use ChatGPT to generate text. To do this, simply enter a prompt into ChatGPT and wait for the model to generate responses The responses will be continued of the prompt and that can be used as the next sentence in your story. After generating text with ChatGPT, you may want to refine and edit it to make it more suitable for your story. You can do this by tweaking the generated text to better fit the tone and style in your story, and you can repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have a complete story. Each time you generate text with ChatGPT, you can generate a text as starting point for the next part of the story. Once you have a complete story, you may want to add details and polish it to make it more engaging. You can do this by adding description, language, dialogue, and other elements that make a story more interesting and engaging to your audience. So I asked also ChatGPT for some benefits. It gave me some benefits. An example, I have here a quick example. Of course, you can read it and you can try it and ask ChatGPT for yourself. Okay, and for the conclusion, and using ChatGPT for storytelling is a simple and effective way to generate engaging stories. With a little creative and effort, you can use this tool to create stories that are captive your audience to live and wait wanting more. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick information video. If you want some other tutorials, you can visit our channel or informations, and if you want something more, you can ask in the comments and we'll answer and we can show you again or in more details if you need. So please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.